Welcome folks, in this video I will teach you guys how to use two simple indicators to predict the step index on a 15-minute time frame. Now without wasting any of your time, let's go and add our indicators. So first of all, I want to be adding the moving average. I'll use the period 25 and also another moving average, which I will use the period 10. So now we have two moving average. Then I'm going to add my MACD. This is it. Now I would like to use the default setting because it is not the main indicator here. The main indicator is the first two. So let's go. This is how your chart will look like. Now first of all, you need to change the coloring of the moving average so you'll not get confused. So the blue one here is the moving average 25. Yeah. So basically what this does is to tell you when to buy and sell the market, but you are not going to trade it in that form based on just the analysis or the indicators. You are going to apply your own wisdom to it, and this wisdom is what I'm giving you here. Now in a bullish structure, the red one will be above the blue one, and in a bearish structure, the blue one will be above the red one. Now anytime you have a cross of this area like this, anytime you have a cross, that is your signal to go short. If you want your confirmation, you have to look your MACD. So you see the MACD was buying in this little area and started selling. So once you have this confirmation, that is when you want to take a short. And if the eye of the chart of the candle, the eye now is still valued, this one here would be your stop loss. But if it is not value, price will come and break it through. That is just one scenario. Now in a bullish structure, now somewhere like this, what do we have here again? Same movement. The market traded into this low and you see the cross there. But when the cross happen again, you see how the red one crosses this green one. Now if you look at the MACD, this is the end of the bearish structure or the bearish trend. Now a new trend have begun, which is the bullish trend. So the same thing is applied. Your stop will be around this, or you can use a candle or just use the moving average. Then your take profit will be at least 1:2, a simple 1:2. But if you don't want to do that, you can do something like 1:3, but I prefer 1:2. So just times 2 of what you are risking.